Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so excited to review the newest model of ECOVACS, and I am talking about the ECOVACS Deebot X8 Pro Omni, which this is a smart cleaning device that combines powerful mopping and vacuuming all in one. It comes with an impressive, extra impressive, power suction ability of 18,000 PA. 18,000 guys. Everyone out there at the market are all about 4,000 to 8,000. The max I saw ever in robotic vacuums was 10,000 PA, and that was like a big wow of 2024. Now guys, we are in 2025 and oh my god, ECOVACS X8 Pro just launching this robotic vacuum with a suction ability of 18,000 of PA. This is the strongest on the market, I think, at least for the personal private use. Maybe commercial use they have it in stronger, but man, that's a lot. That's the strongest I've ever seen or even heard about. As well as it works with an AIVl 3.0 obstacle avoidance technology, so it senses everything and it cleans along everything. And of course there is an amazing Omni station, as every ECOVACS, they're so famous for the Omni stations of theirs. Omni station that will keep your hands free for months. Well guys, let's get started with a detailed review. Well guys, today I am excited to introduce the ECOVACS Deebot X8 Pro Omni. This is a truly revolutionary vacuum and mop combo. What sets this robot completely apart from the rest is the OZMO Roller Instant Self-Washing Mop. This is the most advanced mopping technology which is available on today's market. Unlike the traditional robot vacuums with standard spinning mop pads, the OZMO Roller uses a self-cleaning roller that not just mops your floor, but it also cleans itself while working. The key here is the real-time cleaning feature. While the X8 Pro Omni is mopping your floors, its OZMO Roller continuously rinses itself, ensuring that it never spreads dirt or grime back onto your surfaces. That means that you can get always clean, streak-free results every single time, something you can't say for the traditional robot vacuums with fixed spinning mops. The OZMO Roller combines clean and dirty water tanks on board. The clean water is continuously supplied to the mop, and a constant pressure scrubbing strip effectively removes dirt and stains while cleaning. Any dirty water is immediately collected into the onboard tank. Plus, the mop is automatically washed at the base station after each use, so it's always ready to go for the next round of cleaning. This is the future of floor cleaning. It's an advanced technology which washes and cleans itself with incredible performance that goes far beyond traditional robot vacuums. Now, let's dive into the key difference between the traditional robot mops and the Deebot X8 Pro Omni. I'm going to show you a comparison between a robot vacuum with a dual disc spinning mop and the X8 Pro Omni featuring its OZMO Roller Instant Self-Washing Mop. As you can see with the traditional mops, like the dual disc system, while they spin and clean, they can actually spread the dirt around, especially on stubborn stains. The dual discs drag the dirt and grime across the floor, which often just gets smeared, leaving a trail behind and requiring multiple passes to get it clean. On the other hand, the X8 Pro Omni with its OZMO Roller technology takes a completely different approach. The OZMO Roller doesn't spin or drag dirt. Instead, it rolls and pulls grime up and into the vacuum, keeping the mess contained and cleaned efficiently. The OZMO Roller utilizes 16 freshwater nozzles which deliver a continuous flow of fresh water directly to the mop during cleaning. This ensures that you always have clean water at the surface, preventing any dirt from being smeared back onto the floor. Additionally, the OZMO Roller operates at an impressive 200 RPM roller speed, and with 4,000 PA of downward pressure, it can tackle stubborn stains and heavy grime with ease. The constant pressure scrubbing strip effectively removes dirt and grime, while the dirty water is immediately extracted and stored in the dirty water tank, ensuring the mop stays clean while it works. You can see the difference clearly. While the dual disc mop just smears the mess around, the OZMO Roller grabs the dirt and cleans it up for a streak-free deep clean, with no recontaminating your floors. The OZMO Roller technology is a true game changer, preventing you from needing multiple passes and delivering consistent, powerful results. The next newest technology it works with is the TrueEdge 2.0 dynamic dual edge cleaning technology, which literally means spotless edges and corners. This is an upgraded dual edge design which allows the robot's brushes and rollers to extend outward, ensuring a pristine cleaning along skirting boards and tight spaces. So all these corners, all these edges, everything's going to be taken care of. So it has one brush that goes out to sweep everything from even the deepest corners and edges of your house, as well as it has the extending mop that goes out. And this is how it's never going to miss any spots, even along the edges of your walls. So the Deebot X8 can dynamically expand both the floating roller and the extendable edge brushes. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X8 Pro is also powered by the three-dimensional omnidirectional sensing system, the TrueEdge 2.0. This one is detects potential collisions during directional changes, and it's adapting automatically by using these algorithms, the correct and right cleaning paths accordingly to the situation of your floor. The roller and edge brushes are adjusting themselves automatically and dynamically. So let's say if you are cleaning your floor and there's suddenly a big dry mess, so the robot will automatically extend and take out the edge brushes to clean it in a correct and right way, and the robot does it dynamically. It's adjusting himself by the situation he is right now in. It is a smart algorithm which is helping the robot to be more effective and to clean better. It is hedging edges and outlining obstacles, all that to ensure to have a full floor coverage of cleaning. It's perfect for edges and corner cleanings, so these brushes are autonomously assess whether a cleaning area has hard to reach gaps or corners. It is sense it all, it feels the area. And during a regular cleaning, the brushes will just stay aligned with edges for seamless coverage. And once the robot is going to detect any narrow gaps, the robot will extend outward to maximize his reach ability to ensure that even the very deepest corners and the tightest spaces are going to be cleaned in an effective and best way. Another fantastic feature of this ECOVACS DEEBOT X8 Pro Omni is the 18,000 PA suction power and the Zero Tangle 2.0 anti-tangle cyclonic comb technology, which means no more tangles around your vacuum brush. And it doesn't matter what type of a hair this one is vacuuming, a long hair, human hair, wig hair, pet hair, any type of a hair will be smoothly managed by the Zero Tangle anti-tangle cyclonic comb technology that this robot works with. That is reducing the need for manual detangling and for manual cleaning of your brush. There is no need to do that anymore. The robot does it all by himself thanks to the smart high tech it has installed in. And now, if there is no any tangled hair around the brush, what does it actually means? That means that the robot is gonna work always with the most and the maximum suction power of his ability, even if your house is extra hair heavy. It won't affect the robot's work. As a result, it is gonna give you a more hygienic and more convenient experience. So it is gonna prevent the hair buildup inside the roller as well as spreading the hair around. It is gonna save time and maintenance that needs to be taken care of. How is it actually works, this type of technology? So it has a 45 degrees V-shaped angled bristles installed inside of the vacuum. The bristles are inclined towards the center of both sides, so as a result, it is effectively preventing hair from becoming trapped between brush gaps. That's an amazing feature that I truly love. Now, the next high technology this ECOVACS DEEBOT X8 Pro Omni works with is the YIKO GPT, which this is the next level AI interaction for a smarter cleaning.
Okay, Iko?
Yes.
Go clean kitchen.
Okay, I'm going.
You can't just give your robot voice comments. You can just literally speak to it like it's a human, like it's your friend. Give it comments and tell him what to do. The experience of this high tech, it's similar to chatting on platforms like WhatsApp and just giving your robot comments. So you can directly issue cleaning comments via the smart mobile app, as well as you can just simply type or voice your request, and the Deebot X8 gonna understand it and act instantly to resolve and to make your request happen. And now, guys, the very last fantastic feature of this ECOVACS DEEBOT X8 Pro Omni, it's the Omni Station. This is an all-in-one cleaning station, and ECOVACS are so very famous with these type of stations because everyone knows that ECOVACS are excellent in emptying your hands, literally like giving you free hands to do whatever you want with your free time, because the station is going to take care of every single thing for you. It has a dynamic cleaning precision as well as enhanced hygiene and a true convenience type of a station. So it has a dynamic hot water wash of the mop. So it's gonna automatically adjust the water temperature from 40 degrees to 75 degrees by Celsius, and it is gonna automatically adjust the water temperature based on the room type and the dirt level automatically once again. Also, it is gonna hot dry your mop with a 63 degrees by Celsius as it is rotating the roller while it's drying it. It is also has an automatic cleaning solution dispensing, as well as it's going to automatically empty the robot's dustbin into the station's large dustbin. Also, it has an automatic water inlet and drainage for a manual water management. Also, the Omni station has the intelligent dirty water detection, so it's going to monitor the level of the dirty water to understand when is it needs to be drained and send you a notification, of course. That's to ensure a cleaning efficiency of the station and your robot. Guys, be so very sure to check ECOVACS out. You can find the link and any other type of discount details down below at the description box to this video of mine. Guys, I truly hope that was helpful for you. Please be so very sure to check ECOVACS out. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, discounts, promotions, and so very on. Every possible way to save some money of yours gonna be listed down below at the description to this video of mine, as well as a direct link to this specific X8 Pro robotic vacuum and mop. Guys, my personal experience with this robot is fantastic. It works absolutely great. It worked absolutely amazing for me. I love every second of that. The ability of picking up the hair, the ability of cleaning any type of a mess, dry, wet, it doesn't matter. The navigation, like it's creating the path so in such a smart way, as well as I definitely love the YIKO integration. Now YIKO became smarter, and YIKO works with a GPT AI technology, which is great. I love the YIKO function, and I used it before in all of my ECOVACS robots. I'm reviewing ECOVACS for maybe 5 years right now, and every time they are amazing me with their new models, with the most innovative and like mind-blowing type of a high technology. So guys, I will highly recommend you to check ECOVACS out. And if you would like to see some more reviews about other ECOVACS models, I have tons of different ECOVACS models here on my channel. You're very welcome to go check them all out. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.